Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
थिवी सब हेल्थ सेंटरान जाय तेन्ना दोतोर मेळना. दुयेंतींचे हाल जातात. दोतोर नाशिल्ल्यान एका दिव्यांग दुयेंतीक 12 किलोमीटर पयस उपचाराक व्हरची पडली. गोंयच्या डिसेबिलिटी रायट्स असोसिएशनाच्या सदस्यांनी ह्या संदर्भान खंत उक्तायल्या.
दूख भोगता एक्चुअली हांव वास्कोसान आयिल्ली वन ऑफ अ डिसेबल्ड वॉज नॉट वेल म्हणून आनी ताका हांव डॉक्टरा कडेन म्हणून व्हरपाक आयिल्ली. सो सकाळीं आयिल्ली हांव सकाळीं आयल्यार डॉक्टर ना म्हणून म्हाका सांगलें. आतां 2:15 जालीं. सांगलें म्हाका 2:00 डॉक्टर येतली म्हणून आजुनूय डॉक्टर येवंक ना. सो जो तर एमर्जन्सी आसा जाल्यार कितें करपाचें हांगासर ना म्हणून हांवें ताका मागीर कोलवाले व्हेलें. कोलवाले डॉक्टरा कडेन दाखयलें. कोलवाले मेडिकेशन केलें ताजें आनी ताका आतां परतून हाडला हांवें कोलवाले सांग. आनी सरावंडिंगान कांयच ना. दुसरें शी इज अ डिसेबल्ड. देर इज नो रॅम्प ओवर हियर. ताका वयर चडपाक रॅम्प ना हांगासर. मेन इम्पॉर्टंट हॉस्पिटलांत एक रॅम्प आसपाक जाय. एटलीस्ट clinic should have a ramp, but over here there is no ramp over here. That was another minus point over here. Doctor availability, that is also not there. There is not even a nurse over here. There is a brother over here who says he's come here only for 5 days and he is not flexible in anything. He cannot handle the patients.
So we are demanding better healthcare facilities for persons with disabilities and the elderly in Goa. Not only in Thivi but the entire state of Goa. There are many primary health centers in the villages and all, where facilities are not there for disabled persons. The health centers are not accessible for persons with disabilities. Medicines are not available for the patients. Okay, so we are demanding, we'll be taking it up with the State Disability Commissioner also, and we demand that better facilities should be given for Goans, for persons with disabilities and for elderly persons.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्यामसुंदर फडते.